it's that time of month again. June stats, Toronto Real Estate Board reports what's going on. But first of all, let's cheer on the Montreal Canadiens. It's a great surprise. Our Toronto Maple Leafs are golfing while Montreal Canadiens are still playing hockey. Everybody thought they were going to lose. They won last night, so congratulations to them. Let's cheer them on. Let's go Habs. We are Canadian. And, you know, my son-in-law is Italian, so, and that makes my granddaughter Italian. So, you know, and Italy is one of my favorite places in the whole entire world. And they're playing later on today. So let's go Italy! Yes, cheers! So the other bright side of this is finally I got a haircut. Wow, it feels so great. And you know, new jacket, but the jacket was bought many, many months ago when we were opened up. I got it at my buddy's place on 7, there on Highway 7. But anyway, it's a little tighter. I wonder why. I wonder if we've got a few other problems. But let's get back to what's going on in the Toronto Real Estate Board. You know, there was 11,106 sales for the month. And, you know, that's up 28.5% compared to last year. But we know last year we were just locked down. We couldn't go anywhere. So, you know, looking at the GTA as a whole, year-over-year sales growth was strongest in the condominium segment, and both in the city of Toronto and some of the surrounding areas. On a month-to-month basis, both actual and seasonally adjustable sales continued to trend lower in June. So June home sales were up compared to last year, but like I said, basically we were locked down. So, but much lower than the peak of March of 2021. So, you know, May is a hot month. June, now we're going into summer month. People have got to realize that. So still a pretty good month. You know, we still hit double digits compared to last year as well. Both the annual rate of increase moderated compared to the previous 3 months though. You know, we have seen market activity transitions from a record pace. I mean, we know just everything out there, just multiple offers. Now it's a robust pace. You may not even have multiple offers, which is a good thing as far as I'm concerned. It's a much more balanced market. Just supply is very low. So while this could provide some relief for home buyers in the near term, a resumption of population growth based on immigration is only a few months away. Immigration is open up. All of this has been going on without immigration. So another 3 months, it's going to open up, and it's going to be a tighter market then. So if you're sitting on the sidelines, you better start looking and look hard. So while the primary focus of policymakers has been artificially curbing demand, the only long-term solution to affordability is to increase the supply of accommodation. We all know that. And, you know, there's just not enough housing for all the people. In all major segments, year-over-year sales growth in all sales were outpaced growth in new listings over the same period. So sales are outpacing listings, and that's also a major problem. You know, making it a very, very tight market. You know, if we look at, you know, new listings, active listings, last year we had 14,001. This year we only have 11,297, almost 20%, 19.3 to be exact, decrease in that. So that really makes it for a tighter market. You know, on a month-to-month over basis, both actual and season adjusted prices edged lower in June. You know, the average selling price for all home types was up by an average of 17%. That's a great investment. You know, people say, where do I want to invest my money? Only one place I really want to invest money, and that's in real estate. You know, stocks, and there might be something that just blows through the roof, but you have a more chance of losing it sometime down the road. You know, the same period, you know, the average selling price is $1,089,536. While price growth continued to be driven by the low-rise segments of this market, it's important to note that the average condominium apartment price was up by more than 8% in June alone, 2020, well outstripping inflation. You know, if we look at year-over percent, detached was up 21.9%, semi-detached was up 61.7%, town is up 17.4%, and a condo apartment was up 48%, and that's compared to last year. Man, they're big numbers. You know, look at semi-detached, up 61%. So that's a big increase. So sales, like I said, they were up 28.5, but June was pretty flat. So if we look in the big areas, you know, Halton, and we look. Now let's start in Toronto, where we always start. I don't want to forget the big city. So there was 3,850 sales in the city of Toronto, and their average is 1,079,749. You go to the second big city there, it's 2,281 sales, and their average is 1,041,440. So not too far from Toronto. So Peel has come up in the average transactions. Then we go to Halton. Halton has had 1,096, and their average is 1,222,263. Then we're up to York Region. We went over the 2,000 barrier again. We had 2,015 sales for an average price of 1,241,833. And Durham, like I said, which has been hot the whole time, is at 1,425, and it's still over that 917,267. Now, when we go up to the Barrie board or Simcoe board, remember there's two boards, so you're only getting maybe a half the amount, like probably a third even, because they have the Barrie board. But what's reported on the Toronto Real Estate Board is 364 sales for 986,214. I remember 5 years ago, probably I was selling up there, maybe 6 years ago, for around 300,000. So that area has just exploded in price and stuff like that. So, you know, we are in the summer months. If you are thinking of selling, what an incredible time to sell, because the inventory is down by 20%. So, you know, that's what's keeping the prices higher, this short supply of inventory. So if you're thinking of selling, give us a call and we'll give you a free market evaluation of your home. And if you're thinking about buying, interest rates are still very low, and you know it is summer, so some people are taking holidays, so it's maybe a good time before all that immigration and other people come back off holidays. So whether you're thinking about buying, thinking of selling, or thinking of investing, give us a call at 905-907-5464 or homes@darylking.com. Have yourself a great month. Summer is here. Let's go enjoy and go see some friends and family. Take care. All the best. Bye-bye.